traveling alone on a tight budget. It can be an exciting and rewarding experience. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your trip while keeping costs down. Stay on budget accommodation. Look for budget-friendly accommodations such as hostels, guest houses, or budget hotels. You can also consider alternative options, like Airbnb, to save money on lodging. 2. Take advantage of free activities. Look for free or low-cost activities and attractions to enjoy during your trip. Many cities offer free walking tours, museums with free admission days, and outdoor parks and attractions that don't cost anything to visit. 3. Limit souvenir spending. Set a budget for souvenirs and avoid overspending on unnecessary items. Instead, focus on collecting meaningful souvenirs or taking photographs to remember your trip. 4. Plan ahead. Planning in advance can help you find the best prices and make the most of your budget. 5. Travel off-peak. Save money by booking flights on weekdays or during non-peak hours. 6. Cook your own meals. Eating out can quickly add up, so consider staying on accommodations with kitchen facilities and cooking your own meals. 7. Use public transportation. Opt for public transportation instead of taxis or rental cars to save money on transportation costs. 8. Travel light. Pack only the essentials to avoid paying extra baggage fees, and make it easier to navigate public transportation. 9. Stay safe while traveling on a budget. It's important to prioritize your safety. Research safe accommodations to stay in. Be cautious with your belongings and trust your instincts if something does not feel right. By following these tips, you can enjoy an affordable and memorable solo trip while staying within your budget. Remember to plan ahead, be flexible, and make the most of your travel experience. It's me, BEA. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.